expect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Hey everybody, how you doing? I am Sorry, Eminence Zakia. So this tonight is actually my headscarf of choice. I love when I usually do like the two headscarves. And they're like, let me scoot down a little bit so you can see it. They're like intertwined, and you know, you guys are going to see in the video how I did this. So if you're interested in watching how I did this, make sure you stay tuned. But before the video start, I'm going to give you some time to like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and do that right now. All right, into this video now. call this one red raspberry. Ah. Hey, how you doing? You made it to the end of this video. Thank you. Okay. Trying to, compose myself. All right, you guys. So thank you for coming to my channel. I am the goofy Sorry Eminence Ikea. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure that you check out my website, which is www.naturalguyshairplan.com. I do cater to natural hair. We have daily conditioners, curl souffles, growth stimulants, and also skincare products to get your glow like this. Okay, you can head over again to www.naturalguyshairplan.com. I will leave some things up in the end of this video so you can see all of the benefits.